The Ministry of England has issued a statement for London, Wales, Northern Scotland, Western UK, and the British Isles of Guernsey and Jersey. The UK has ordered its military to take down the virus in London, Cardiff, Aberdeen, Manchester, Guernsey, Jersey, Edinburgh, Birmingham, and Oxford. The virus first started in Vietnam, to Laos, then Myanmar, Cambodia, and has entered Malaysia since the past few weeks. It turns out, France has the virus too, in the city of Paris and the state of Brittany. To avoid this virus, go somewhere that has no windows. If you have windows, close the curtains and stay quiet as possible.